So we are in Port St. Lucie with Rick and Anna Smith, and this is one of their first flips with Red Barn. Anna, tell us how you sourced it and what the numbers look like.
So we found this through our leads. I started talking with the homeowner, and at first he was just kind of kicking the bucket, wanted to possibly be done because the renters that were in here were breeding dogs and trashed his house. He hired a contractor, not a very good one, to start doing some work on it. So I talked to him for about 2 months, back and forth. He finally made a decision to sell the house to us because he had trouble with his contractor as well, getting them out of here. So I helped him get the contractor done and out of here. And we were able to procure the house for $260,000. And we have invested about $50,000 when we're done. And our real estate agent just told us that we're going to be able to sell it for probably just south or at $400,000.
Not a bad first deal here in this area with Red Barn. Heck yeah. Very cool, Anna. Awesome.